ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯃꯛꯇꯗ library bureau ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ Which Language is Harder ꯒꯤ third episode ꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ program ꯑꯁꯤ Manipuri Vision ꯍꯥꯏꯕ YouTube channel ꯅ sponsor ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ YouTube channel ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ intro video ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕ Manipuri Vision ꯒꯤ team ꯕꯨ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ channels ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯎꯠꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯈꯥꯒꯤ description ꯒꯤ link ꯇ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ channel ꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯒꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒ short movie ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ team ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯖꯕ movie ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯜꯂꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ Do you understand what I'm saying?
I have no idea.
Okay.
I have no idea. Mike is here. So.
Okay. Let's go on. So basically, what we're trying to do is like it's a like entertainment thing, right? So I'm putting some stuff more. If you have watched like the first 2 episodes, it's more like which language is harder, like me teaching you my language and you teaching me your language, right?
Yeah.
So okay, I'm from a place called Manipur, which is not one northeastern part of India. You know it, right? We have talked about it so many times.
Yeah, you always emphasize. You're from Manipur.
Yeah. I put 8 questions, so I'm gonna teach you how to say them in Manipuri, and you're gonna teach me how to say in Korean.
Awesome.
Okay, I'm sorry, I haven't introduced you before. This is Mr. Allen from North Korea.
South Korea.
South Korea. Okay, South Korea. And good. I really appreciate you stopping by and giving me this.
Of course.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, you're really excited. Okay, how do you say "How are you" in Manipuri? I'm gonna teach you. Let's play a little game, right? If you can say exactly, I have a tiny gift for you.
Yep.
If not, I'm gonna take back.
You're gonna take it back?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. How are you? I'm gonna say in like very informal, like just buddies, you know, like right away. Nungairibo?
Nungarimu?
No. Is it way harder than Korean?
I guess.
Okay.
Try again.
Nungairibo?
Nungaribo?
Nungairibo?
Nungaribo? No, it's nothing?
Oh yeah, it's okay. It's like
It's
not
okay.
So,
Okay.
It's not bad.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's not
we'll
bad.
see. Yeah, my turn. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah. How do you say in Korean? Now
In Korean, we actually don't have exactly the same one, but you can say "넌 어때?"
None of that.
Yeah.
Like if I see you for the first time, like if I come to Korea,
Oh, it doesn't make sense at all. Yeah. They don't usually say. Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah. How are you?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So if
it's
you don't
not
know the
wrong.
person, you can't say like "none of that."
Oh yeah, and we don't do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Just like nice to meet
If
you.
you make fun of me, I will shoot you. One of the best dialogues from Descendants of the Sun.
Right.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'll go for the next one.
Sure.
What is your name? Minkai.
Minkai.
Kaubige.
Kobige.
Minkai.
Minkai.
Kaubige.
Kobige.
Yeah.
Why?
You learn so fast.
Oh really? That's
okay.
good.
You're one of the best learners now. Yeah. How do you say that in Korean?
Actually we have 2 expressions, right?
Yeah, sure.
Polite one and
sure. Go ahead.
maybe just easy one.
Yeah. Like I can go for the hard one. You know,
Really?
I'm a very sharp person. You know that,
Okay.
right? Yeah.
What's your name?
What's your name?
성함이 어떻게 되세요?
성함이 어떻게 되죠? Tokyo. I'm from Tokyo.
어떻게?
Okay. One more time.
Okay.
This time I'm gonna.
Okay. 성함이 어떻게 되세요?
성함이 어떻게 되세요?
되세요.
되세요.
Oh yeah.
되세요.
Sounds a little bit funny.
오빠.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Great job.
Okay.
That was polite expression.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
That's sweet. Like okay. How has things been? Right. The next is how has things been?
Cool.
Come paligay.
Come 빨리 게?
like
Come.
No. It's like karam
그럼
paligay.
빨리 게. Oh,
Like,
빨리 게.
Paligay.
빨리 게.
It's like a funny way and like a very like a light-hearted way, like a happy expression.
Happy
You can't get
expression.
angry and say like that. Like
how
you should
has
be
this
happy.
been? Yeah.
Like karam paligay.
come 빨리 게.
You can't say that to an elder, but like to friends.
Oh,
like,
okay, yeah.
They're gonna slap you.
But 빨리 means like
빨리.
hurry, you know, in Korean.
Oh, pali.
Yeah,
hurry.
빨리. Yeah.
Pali.
Yeah, 빨리. Yeah.
Pali.
So, how has things been?
Korean.
어떻게 지냈어?
어떻게 지냈어?
Oh,
You're not from
oh
Korea.
my
Just because I'm
God.
brown, you think I'm not
It's
Korean,
too
huh?
good. Super good.
Okay, how do you say I love you?
I don't want to say it to you.
You don't need to say it to me. For the viewers, at least.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Of course.
Yeah. I'm gonna make it in a very polite, like completely polite way.
Oh, okay. Completely polite.
Yeah. 낭부,
낭부.
타모이생나,
타모이생나.
능시.
능시?
It's like a completely polite way.
Why
like,
it's so long?
Okay, I'll make it short. Okay, the shortest one, like 낭부,
낭부.
아이나,
아이나.
능시에.
능시에?
능시에 is I love you.
Oh, 능시에 is love?
Yeah, like 아이나.
아이나?
I.
Oh, okay.
And 낭부 you.
Oh, okay.
능시에 love.
Oh, so you love something like that?
Oh yeah, if you literally translate,
Okay.
if you literally translate it's like that.
Gotcha.
You love.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, how do you say I love you in Korean?
Probably some people already know about this. Yeah, so...
Okay, the world knows, even I know.
Yeah,
That's why I
even
put
you
that
know, right?
question, 'cause
Yeah.
I want to win this
So, 사랑해?
사랑해.
Yeah.
Because the world knows 사랑해, right? Is there any word, like any other like completely different word which you think that the world might not be knowing how to say I love you? Because even in our language we have different ways to express love, right? Because 사랑해 is very common, like 사랑해 오빠.
Yeah, right.
오빠 사랑해.
That's disgusting, kind of.
Oh yeah, 오빠.
Yeah.
What do you mean disgusting?
Oppa is from actually. Yeah, you are not supposed to say oppa.
Oh, yeah. The boys can't say 오빠.
You have to call me 형.
형.
Yeah,
like,
형, not
형.
oppa. Oppa is from girl.
Girl.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You think I'm boy?
Oh shit! Didn't know that.
Okay.
He came out here.
Okay, at least I love you.
Yeah. So
Different way.
different way. So probably a little bit polite way.
Yeah,
so
sure.
사랑합니다.
사랑합니다.
Yeah.
사랑합니다.
사랑합니다.
합니다니다.
합니다.
사랑합니다.
It's really polite expression.
It's like if you say that, she's gonna agree, right? Right away.
Yeah, she's not gonna do it.
She's-
Yeah, no.
she's gonna agree.
It's
I'm
kind
just-
of cute sometimes.
사랑합니다. My heart is yours. 사랑합니다.
No.
She's gonna shut up.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm so angry, right? You try to catch the
angry.
emotion that I'm doing, like
Got it.
I'm so angry, like it's like I'm so angry, like I don't want to say literally, but it's like pissed off like that. I'm so
Okay.
angry, pissed off, you know, like 궤도 사고래. 궤도
궤동
사고래.
샤올레? 궤동 샤올레?
궤도
궤동?
궤도
궤동?
궤도
궤동?
not dong.
도.
Do.
도.
D-O-U do.
예, 도. No.
궤도
궤동
사고래.
샤오구해?
사고래.
샤올레?
사고래. Yeah, le. You can say le, like completely mixed word.
Oh.
궤도 사고래.
고도 사이골레? That's hard.
You don't look angry, bro. You should be angry.
I
궤도
should.
사고래.
고도 사골레.
Like pissed off. Give me some pissed off face, bro. 궤도 사고래.
고도 사골레. 고도 사골레.
You're so bad at acting, bro.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. Are you hungry? I completely.
No, you forgot my turn. I'm so
I'm so
angry.
sorry.
I'm
Oh.
so angry.
I'm sorry. I was so angry. I skipped your part.
Right.
Yeah.
That's why I'm so angry.
Okay. In Korean.
So in Korea, 화나?
Juana.
Yeah, 화나.
Juana.
화나. But 화나 is like
That's it.
yeah.
Like
Why is angry?
I'm not even angry saying that, bro.
Yeah, no. It doesn't
화나?
sound like
Like,
화나.
how do you say like you get so pissed off? Like,
So usually,
Juana?
you know the expression, right? See that one.
Yeah.
So that one we
Yeah.
usually say that. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So
angry.
I'm so angry. Yeah.
It's okay. You can say it, bro.
No, I cannot. That's too rude.
No, everyone knows that, bro.
Everyone knows that, but that's not appropriate.
Should I say it, bro? I'm just kidding.
You can try.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because like whenever we watch like Korean dramas, to all the viewers, where we have this expression how like Korean guys or girls or
Yeah, I'm
whatever when they're
yeah.
pissed off, they're like, "Oh, she piled."
Yeah. Oh my
I'm like, oh, shit, something is so angry,
I
right?
don't think that's proper. Okay, yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
No, you are really too. Yeah,
Yeah, I was saying
Yeah, you're too good.
exactly.
That-
The next thing I'm trying to ask you is how to say thank you, right?
Thank you.
Thank you, like when we're like really close, like buddies, like we don't even say thank you. Like
Yeah.
we know that we think each other inside, you know. Like
Right.
we don't, but just for the sake, cause it's there. Yam nungai zere.
What?
It's like
Yum Niger?
yam
Yum?
nungai.
Nung I?
Yeah, this is the best part. Like, most of the people around the world doesn't know how to say ngai, nga, say nga.
Na?
Yeah, Vietnam, Chinese, and everyone I ask, like, they don't know how to say nga.
Na.
This is like let that sound come out from your nose.
Oh yeah, nose.
Yeah, nga.
Na.
Not na, nga.
Na.
No, na, na, no, na.
Na.
It's funny.
Sound.
Yeah, that's one of the unique sounds that we have.
Oh, okay.
Nungai, nungai, nungai.
Nungai.
Yeah, so people say nunai or nungai something.
Nungai.
I see.
I.
So nungai zare.
Nungai Zari.
Oh, the one you said just now was like, I'm happy.
For real?
You didn't say thank you. You said nungai zari is I'm happy.
Oh really?
Yeah. You spoke something truthful by mistake.
Oh, that's
nungai
cool.
zare. Yeah. How do you say in Korean?
Incorrect.
The one I know is 감사합니다.
Oh yeah, that's pretty common, right?
Yeah, give me some hard one. 감사합니다 is really common. Like
And
감사합니다.
the other one is 고맙습니다.
Kyong, I should say
What are
Kyong, right? Kyong, not upa. Kyong,
형.
Kyong.
형. H.
형.
H. Yeah.
감사합니다, Kyong.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah. 예, 감사합니다.
And 고맙습니다.
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 삽니다. Like most of the Korean words are like 삽니다.
Yeah, 삽니다, 합니다, something like
합니다,
that. Yeah.
삽니다. What's this 삽니다?
They're
삽니다.
all from the polite expression.
Polite
Yeah.
expression. Okay.
We don't actually put that thing for common things, you know. Easy one.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah.
So how do you say like? The next thing I'm coming to see you tomorrow, right?
See you tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Kona mukteng. See if you can catch it. Kona mukteng nerasiko. Kona
Kona?
amuk
Amuk?
탱nerasiko.
탱나라시 what?
탱nerasiko.
탱나라시코.
Yeah, perfect. Kona mukteng nerasiko. Like, see you tomorrow.
고마 어머.
See you later. Like see you. Like literally, if I have to like transcript that,
Right.
like then that'll be like 하잉 탱nerasiko.
하잉
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 탱nerasiko.
탱나라시코.
Yeah, perfect. Like, see you
good.
tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you later. Like one thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you say that in Korean?
We also call it just we also say bye, but it's English. So
Yeah.
probably 내일 봐.
매일
네.
봐.
내일
내일 봐.
내일 봐.
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 Yeah, 봐.
내일 봐.
내일 봐. 내일 is tomorrow.
Yeah,
봐 is see.
내일 봐.
내일 봐. Yeah, that's all me. Yeah.
내일 봐.
Yeah.
Okay, that was pretty much the first part of this
Awesome.
this program, and like.
So it's over.
No,
Bye bye,
it's not
guys.
over. Guys,
See you tomorrow.
Stop.
Okay.
Okay. I'm putting 2 more programs for this very episode because the next thing is like I find this will be pretty fun. I saw some of the comments related with what I'm trying to do now, so I took the suggestions from the comment from the last video. Mamangis video that adom bibir suggestion gi matung inani tawjagidori bisi mathang si yengsi. What was that? Dance?
Yeah, dancing with your flow.
Okay. How do you think about the language? Is it hard?
It's hard.
How does it
Especially
sound? How do you- how-
owning something like that. Yeah.
How do you think about it? Like anything?
Is
Me,
yeah.
like when I first heard Korea in Japanese, I can't really figure it out because like I feel like
the difference?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Me, I can't figure it out because I was like, oh, it sounds same. But for you, like, is there any language similar to my language?
Vietnamese?
Vietnamese?
Yeah.
Oh,
Not sure. Yeah.
yeah, nah. Me, it's
Totally different?
totally different.
Yeah, totally different. Yeah.
Yeah. Now we're trying to play a game, right? I'm gonna say like a sentence in Manipuri, and we're gonna like completely say that Manipuri in Korean accent.
Okay.
Like what I perceive all
Should
the
be
time,
fun,
right?
yeah.
So, yeah, it should be fun. Okay, the exact word in Manipuri Manipuri accent is Ayoima Kwang Nare. It's like, oh my god, Ayoima is like, oh, like, we don't really say like, oh my, like, it's like,
Oh,
it's
okay.
like an OMG sound,
Yeah,
right?
right, yeah.
But we don't really say God, like, we call our mom. Like, oh, mom, my back's paining.
Right.
Like, Ayoima Kwang Nare.
Ayo ima.
Okay, I'll try first.
Okay.
See if it sounds Korean, bro. I've been practicing a lot of
Okay,
time.
cool.
Ayoima.
You don't have to test that accent.
No.
That's just fine.
I'm trying to make it like completely typical.
Okay, yeah. Just
Yeah.
try it, yeah.
Ayoima. No, say it.
Ayo ima.
Oh, that's how we say it, like
Yeah,
Korean?
yeah. Ayo ima.
Oh no, don't literally like
Yeah,
you don't
I'm
have
not-
to read
yeah,
out.
I'm not reading it.
Ayoima.
Ayo ima.
Kwang
광
nare.
나래.
Chak
착
잘해보.
잘해봐.
No, we don't really say it like that,
Okay.
right? But I'm trying to make it
Oh,
sound
okay,
like
yeah.
a Korean.
Yeah, sounds like Korean.
Sound like Korean?
Little bit.
A little bit?
Very little bit, yeah.
Chak.
착,
Chak.
착,
잘해보.
차르부.
That's good.
We haven't. No.
Like,
Yeah.
have you had your meal? Like, chak 잘해보.
착 차라부. 착 차라부.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we're coming to the last part of this thing, so I'm gonna ask you some pretty weird. But when I was a kid, like I have this like when I was like in grade 9, 10, right? We have this TV channel. It was there from a long time back called Arirang.
Right.
Arirang.
Arirang. Yeah.
Yeah, Arirang. We have this channel. Like everyone had this channel. Like
Right.
we have that in cable. So we used to watch these Korean dramas and all this stuff. So I have this question in my mind from that time. This is what my viewers want me to ask. Okay, the first question. Give me some honest reaction, honest answers.
reaction.
No lying, bro.
Okay.
If you lie, you're out of my. Okay, does all Korean boys and girls think they're cute?
That's hard question.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you have to answer.
I have to answer. Probably yes.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
nah.
do you think you're cute?
No. Except me. For sure.
Okay.
But the thing is,
Why do you think that?
I mean, the thing is, it's not really true. It depends on people, right?
Yeah, depends on people.
Yeah.
But most of the like Korean, like when we see in dramas and stuff like they're super.
Because they're celebrities, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
We have been judging the whole Korea through celebrities.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question: is it true that the Korean girl does a lot of surgery?
This is also it's hard. Some of them,
No, is it some of them or most of them?
not most of them. Some of them.
Okay.
Yeah, some of them, and the.
It's just in some news that like some of the mothers used to like give like surgery as a present, like on
could
your
be.
butt.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, especially double eyelid surgery.
Oh,
it's,
yeah.
it's pretty
What
common.
about nose and
Nose is quite a big surgery, so
Oh, yeah.
it's kind of risky.
Oh,
They
yeah.
don't give it as a like present.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of.
It's a big one.
It's big one. Yeah.
Okay, next thing is what we see in Korean drama the same in the real world?
Of course not. Of course not. Korea is pretty.
So
pretty,
Lee Min Ho is
yeah,
not the real
correct.
one.
He
He's
is
real.
there. He is
He's
there.
there. He's
Yeah,
real.
but he's one of celebrity. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
what?
Not everyone looks like that. Yeah.
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 Okay.
What's
Okay.
that question?
Okay.
These questions, yeah.
Disgusting. Okay, I'll ask you the last question.
Sure.
So, why Korean boys and girls look so surprised in the Korean dramas when they speak? Is that natural or are they just acting cute?
I feel like they are not really natural.
Oh yeah, because
But,
like
yeah.
it's your way of projecting stuff.
Right.
But what we see is like like super cute. I'm not like saying it's bad, but it's like
Right.
super cute. So like, are they faking it or like is it
No,
real natural?
they're not faking it.
Oh,
I
yeah.
feel like, yeah, compared to other languages, probably Korean sounds like more cuter than
Oh,
others. Yeah.
No, Manipuri is cute too, bro.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it's how it is. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So do you do that sometimes?
No.
No, you don't do that. Why?
I
Why?
don't.
Why is that?
I'm not.
You're not cute.
Yeah, I'm not cute at. No.
You're cute,
Not
but
at
don't
all.
worry, don't worry.
Yeah.
You're Upa, bro. Don't worry.
Okay. No, I'm young. I
Oh,
told
yeah,
you.
okay,
oh my-
okay, okay. I mess with my gender sometimes.
I know.
Yeah. That was pretty much for today, and thank you so much, Alan, for stopping by and
My
joining.
pleasure.
Yeah, we love Korean dramas, and like most of like, even though he says it's not real, but it just makes us
Yeah.
feel like in another world.
Right.
Like Korean dramas are really addictive, right? Like like once you start watching episode one,
That's
just
true, yeah.
non-stop.
Right.
One of my favorite is like City Hunter.
I sit down.
I go crazy when I was in class 12, like grade
Right.
12. I just went down non-stop.
You should
I'm a
watch
big
Cobra.
fan of
Yeah,
those. And the last one I watched was Descendants of the Sun. So it was crazy.
I watched that too. Yeah.
And yep, you did the game and everything pretty well. So I'm gonna, like I promised
did.
before that I didn't.
You did?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
So I have a thing for you. Like, yeah, this is from the sub communities. Like we Manipuris are like combined together by a lot of different ethnic groups and communities, right? So one of the big communities is like Naga. Is from there. So one of the persons from a district called Urkul
Yeah.
gave me that. That's the hilly part. So our place is surrounded by 9 hills together, right? So
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
you told me.
it's an amazing craft. Well, I loved it. I wish you loved it too. And this one is all yours.
Thank you so much. It feels really
like because the
good
makers take
stuff.
years to build this one. Like it's really a cool design. So it came all the way from Manipur
That's
here
amazing.
here to Canada. So yeah, it's all
Thank you
yours
so
now.
much.
Yeah. And ngasigi program asi kamay tawagi habida makada comment amasung feedback oina khanganbirau adom mathangi program da karamna ngasigi program sidagi hen improve tawba yabagi haibidu khanganbirau comment section da aduga agi channel sibu subscribe tawba kawbigenu. And lastly, I would like to thank again Manipuri Vision for sponsoring this video, and thank you so much. And as I told earlier too, they make amazing videos, and the link of the YouTube channel is put in the description down below, so you guys need to go check it out down there. And yeah, that's pretty much today. See you again in the next video, and we say thank you in my language.
Mayambu.
Video si
Video si.
yengbibagi
Yang bubagi.
yengbibagi
Yang bibagi.
kurumzari,
Krumzeri.
and we bow down like
And
yeah, that's it.